Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will continue discussing our top into 150 question series on Leetcode, and today we are going to discuss question insert, delete, get random O1 question. So let's go to the question and see what it says. So the question states that implement randomized set class. Randomized set initializes the randomized set object. Bool insert, like it will have first function bool insert, and it inserts an item val into the set. If not present, returns true if the item was not present, false otherwise. Then there will be second function which we have to implement, bool remove, removes an item val from the set. If present, returns true if the item was present, false otherwise. And then there is one third function, int get random, returns a random element from the current set of elements. It's guaranteed that at least one element exists when this method is called. Each element must have the same probability of being returned. You must implement the functions of the class such that each function works in average O1 time complexity. So average time complexity should be O1, and yeah, like n is 2 into 10 to the power 5. So we have to implement these three functions, and for implementation of this we are going to use two data structures. One of them is this vector int array, and another one would be map. So in map we will store like in array, like whatever value we have to insert, then we will insert at the end. And if we want to remove, for removing, what we will do is like whatever value we want to remove in the array, we will swap it with the last element of the array, and then we will remove the last element using the pop back function. And then get random, like using like from array, like we will check, like we will randomly get one index of the array, and then we can finally return that index value from the array. This map will store what is the this will store the mapping of value to the index in the array. Like the key will be value, and the value in this map will be the index of the array. So let's understand with the help of this example. So initially our array will be empty and map will be empty too. Then suppose we get this function called insert one. So array will insert one, and map will store like the first, like key value will be value. So this one will have index value of 0, so that is stored. Now we will have insert 4, so 4 will be inserted into the array, and like for 1 index will remain 0, and for 4 index will become 1. Then we'll insert 3, so array will become 1 4 3, and first index is 0, fourth index is 1, and third index is 2. Then we are getting this query remove 4. So this is important. So first of all, what we'll do, like this was our array, and like 4 we want to remove. So we will get the index of 4 using our map. So we can see that fourth index is 1. So we will just swap the first index of the array and the last index of the array. So this 3 will come here and 4 will come here. Then we will what we will do is we will update the index of this 3. So this map of 3 will become 1, and we will delete then we will remove the value from this last value from the array, and we will also remove this 4 value from the map. So our array will become this 1 3, and our map will become first value index is 0 and third value index is 1. If we get random, then we will get one random index value, and then we'll return this array index. So this will be our flow. Let's go into the code. So initially, like when we are calling the constructor, then we are just clearing it out. Like this is not much required, but we are just doing it. And then when we are getting the insert, then what we will do is we will check like whether this value is already present or not. So if it is not present, then we will push it inside the array, and we will also update the map value. So the same thing we are doing, like suppose we want to insert 4, then we are inserting it inside the array, and then we are updating its index value as well. And on the basis of like whether value is present or not, we will return true or false, like as it was mentioned here. So on the basis of these conditions, we will return true and false. Now the next function is remove. So for remove also we'll check whether value is present or not. If it is not present, then we'll return false as it is mentioned here. And if it is present, then what we will do is we will find out what is the last element, and then we will swap this last element with our current value. So here like 3 will be swapped with 4, and then we'll update the map with the last element value. So map of 3 will become 1, and then we will remove the last element from the array. So here 4 will get removed, and then we will also remove this fourth value from the map. So map also we will remove the fourth value. So and finally we'll return true. So this is the function code of this remove function. And for GetRandom function, we will first check what is the size of our current array, and then we will just get the random index value using this rand function, which is an inbuilt function in C++, and then we'll return this array index. So in this way we'll get the random value. So yeah, I think this solution would work. Like we are using two data structure in this, and here the average in each of the function, the average time complexity would be of 1. So it should work. Let's try to run it. So it is getting accepted. Let's try to submit it as well. So it is taking time, and it has got accepted. So yeah, our solution is working fine. I will attach the solution code in the comment section of the video, and the problem link and problem description will be added in the description of the video. So thanks, and I hope you have understood the question explanation, and I hope you are liking this series. So do subscribe to my channel for staying tuned for more such important data structure and algorithm question videos. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, and thanks, and have a nice day.